Hey everybody, Jeremy from Adventure Air here. Not sure if I'm actually going to post this video or not, but I figured I'd take a vlog of it anyways. Right now I'm in Arkansas, Searcy, Arkansas, about an hour northeast of Little Rock. And the reason I'm here is because I am taking my check ride for CFI, for Gyroplane, with Ron Menzie. He right now is the only person that can do it in the whole United States. So yeah, I'm out here. I got here last night. Flew in and met with him for about a half hour and talked with them a little bit, and just kind of got settled in to my room and all that. And now I am going out there. I'm going to spend the next 2 days to train with him and just talk about stuff and kind of go through my check ride stuff. And he's going to evaluate me, and hopefully I'll be leaving here with a CFI rating. So that's where we're at. I thought I'd just kind of give everybody a heads up. This is probably going to be the video for the weekend, for Sunday. So yeah, since I'm going to be busy doing all this, I was traveling all day yesterday, and then Friday is going to be another travel day, and then I still work another job. So I have that on Saturday as well. But yeah, so I'll hopefully keep you guys updated during the day or after the day is over. I don't know if I'm going to be filming with Ron at all, but just want to give you guys a heads up. All right, see ya.
One eternity later.
Hey everybody. Well, I did it. I got my license. I'll pop up a little. I'll do a little pop-up and I'll show you the endorsement I have now. Now I'm a CFI. Pretty cool. It was a good experience. I had a oral interview. We went through the stuff that we needed to cover in the PTS, and that was a couple of hours. Just talking, and Ron has a really unique way of doing things, and it's really cool. Makes you feel at ease, you know, and it's a good learning experience as well. You know, we had a good talk for, you know, a couple hours, and then went to lunch, and then we went and flew, and it was good. Got some practice in on his MTO. I had never flown his version. He had an MTO Classic that we flew, and I had flown an MTO Sport 2017 from our fleet back at home. But yeah, it took a little bit of just getting used to where the controls were and stuff, but other than that, it was pretty similar. So I got some practice in on it, and then I was able to go through the PTS and didn't have any issues. It was good. It was a lot of fun, and I'm really thankful for Ron. I'd recommend you go see him, but he doesn't do initial students anymore. He's only a DPE now. So yeah, but if you're ever local to him or closer to him than somebody else, and you need a check ride done, then I would recommend contacting him at ronsgyros.com. But yeah, it was a good time. And so now I'm on my way back to California. I'm heading out to the airport right now and catch my flight, and that's that. So you'll probably be seeing me more flying and doing some training and stuff. So, all right. Well, thanks guys for watching. Appreciate all your support, and we'll see you soon. All right. See ya.